Hey everyone, my name is Kendra and welcome back to my channel. Today's class is Yoga for Sculpted Arms. So if you're somebody that wants to build upper body strength using your own body weight, then this class will be perfect for you. Whenever you're ready, let's get started. Start in a seated position. Let the legs be crossed. And then start to move your shoulders in a circular motion, going back and then forward. Go the opposite way with movement. Pause at center. Inhale the arms up overhead. And as you carry the arms up overhead, lengthen the spine. Grounding deeply into the sit bones. Exhale, release the arms down. Turn the palms out. Fingertips touch the mat. Inhale, arms back up. Exhale, arms down. Keep going a couple more times. Follow your breath. Start to find that connection with your movement and your breath. Exhale, release the arms down. Extend the legs out in front of you. Bend the knees and ground the feet hip width apart. Take the hands out behind you, grounding the palms, and turn all 10 fingers to face the back wall. Inhale, lift the sit bones off of the mat. Lifting the hips all the way up. So reverse tabletop position. Make sure that you're grounding deeply into the palms. Shoulders are soft. Keep space in between the chin and the top of the chest. Exhale, slowly release the sit bones back down towards the mat, pausing right before it hits the floor. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, slowly moving back down. Be careful to not lock your elbows here. Inhale up. Exhale down. Releasing the sit bones onto the mat. Now turn the 10 fingers to point outward towards each side. Keep grounding into the feet. Inhale, come back up. Exhale down. Exhale, ground the sit bones onto the mat. Swing the legs around and come onto your hands and knees now onto a tabletop position. So the knees are grounded, hip width apart. Palms are directly underneath the shoulders. Tuck your toes. Inhale, lift the knees a couple inches off of the mat. Drawing the belly button in towards the spine. Keep the gaze looking down in between the hands. Exhale, pike your hips and begin to straighten the legs. Moving into your downward dog. Pedaling the feet if that feels nice. Or maybe pausing with the knees really bent and working the sit bones up towards the ceiling. Take a moment to find whatever feels nice for you. Grounding into the feet. Keep the heels slightly lifted away from the mat. Small bend in the knees. Work on moving the sits bones up towards the ceiling. Inviting the top of the chest towards the top of the thighs. There's space in between the ears and the elbows. Grounding deeply into the hands, especially the pointer finger and the thumb. Taking a couple breaths here. Lift the heels really far away from the mat. Round the spine. Slowly shifting the weight forward into the hands. Move the body parallel to the mat. So now you're in your plank. Exhale, draw the belly button in towards the spine. Pike the hips slowly and come back into your downward dog. Moving the heels back down towards the floor. Inhale, lift the heels far away from the mat, rounding the spine, shifting the weight forward into the hands. Body parallel to the mat. Stopping right here. Keep the knees lifted, or if this feels like it's too much, release the knees onto the mat. Keep the core engaged. Exhale, bend the elbows and pause halfway. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale, slowly pike the hips, find your downward dog. Move slowly with your breath and with control. Inhale, lift the heels, round the spine, shift the weight forward into the hands. Body is now parallel to the mat. Exhale, bend the elbows, pausing halfway. Inhale, straighten the arms. Good, still in plank. Keep breathing. Exhale, bend the elbows, pausing halfway. See if you can come down a little bit farther. Inhale, straighten the arms. Good work. Keep breathing. Place the left hand closer towards the middle of your mat and roll on the outer edges of the feet. Stack the feet, or the right foot can be in front of the left. Inhale, carry the right arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale, release the right hand. Come back into your plank. Right hand towards the middle of your mat. Roll on the outer edges of the feet. Stack the left foot on top of the right, or the left foot is in front of the right. Carry the left arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale, release the left arm down. Ground the palms. Exhale, bend the elbows, pausing halfway. Inhale, come up. Exhale, pike your hips, downward dog. Awesome, take 3 breaths. Inhale, look in between the hands, step the right foot forward. Left heel lifted, press back through the left foot. Left leg nice and straight. Inhale, carry the torso up. Arms come up overhead. Hips are level. Turn the palms to face forward. Exhale, bend the elbows. Invite the chest forward. Keep the low ribs drawing down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows. Keep bending into that right knee. Inhale up. Exhale, arms down, bend the elbows. Stay here. Exhale, ground the hands. Step the right foot back to meet the left. Legs are straight or knees are released onto the mat. Whatever feels right for you today. Exhale, pike the hips into your downward dog. Inhale, look in between the hands, stepping the left foot forward. Left knee bent, pressing back through the right heel. Inhale, arms up. Torso lengthens. Exhale, bending the elbows. Same thing we're doing on the opposite side. Follow your breath. Feeling the movement in the shoulder blades. Keeping a small core engagement. Pausing with the elbows bent. Exhale, release the hands, ground the palms. Stepping the left foot back. Okay, so we'll bend the elbows once again, coming into our half chaturanga, but making sure that you're protecting the shoulders. So shifting the weight slightly forward, and then go ahead and bend the elbows. Elbows stay close towards the torso. Pause halfway. Inhale, straighten the full breaths here. Exhale, release the knees. If they're not already there, untuck the toes. Open up the knees a little bit wider than hip width apart. Settle the sits bones back towards the heels. Rest the forehead onto the floor or on a pillow or a blanket. And take the arms back towards your calves. Turn the palms to face the ceiling. Let your eyes close or the gaze be soft. Let go of any holding in the arms or the shoulders you might have. Taking as much time as you need here. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.